Good morning. Happy Monday. I just wanted to go over one more time what you guys are going to be doing this week as far as service learning. If you didn't get a chance last week, I made this video just kind of going over the two projects and the requirements. So if you haven't watched that one yet, go ahead and watch that one, and it'll explain basically what to do. If we go ahead and open the pink folder here for week of April 27th. So our to-do list. Alright, so last week you guys took a survey and you told me if you had completed your first 10 hours or not. If you completed your first 10 hours, I sent you a message to explain what to do. So you guys are going to send me your completed paperwork if I don't have it already. You're going to write your reflection journal and you're going to create your PowerPoint presentation. If you had less than 10 hours completed, I also sent you guys a message to explain what to do. So this week you're going to be selecting your topic. You're going to be reading news articles and completing your graphic organizer. You're going to complete your advocacy project, and you're going to complete a reflection journal or a PowerPoint, and that is all in the directions. So again, 10 hours or more, you guys are looking in the red folder. 10 hours or less, you guys are looking in the yellow folder. When you are looking at the assignment turn-ins, please make sure to read the labels. Alright, so for example, it'll say less than 10 hours completed or more than 10 hours completed. So depending on which you are, that will determine where you turn in assignments. Okay? So again, if you have questions while you're working, please let me know. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.